Namaskar, Har Har Mahadev. I love you so much, my Mahadev. Today I will cook mera pitha. I don't know what is called traditionally mera pitha, but it is very interesting and tasty pitha. So I will try today in my kitchen, and I will show you every single step how I will cook this mera pitha in this video. And please continue to watch this video. All right. So first I will make the dough, rice dough. So what I will need, it is a special way to cook that dough. So what I will do, I will use this measurement cup, 1 cup and half cup. So 1.5 cup water I add it here, and little bit salt I will add. Here, and I put my flame at medium high, and here I will add jaggery, 2 and 3 bowl of jaggery. I think this is enough. Then I will add my homemade spices. Here I have all the 2 ingredients, that is, one is cardamom and one is fennel seeds. 3 ingredients, and third one is ajwain. I will add 1 spoon here, and I will boil them until it comes to the boiling point, and that time I will turn off my flame and I will add 1 measurement cup of rice flour. Alright, let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay, my water come to the boiling point. I turn off my flame. I have to move the karai, and I'm adding 1 measurement cup of rice flour. I have to mix it nicely. I mixed the rice flour with the jaggery water nicely. Now I will leave it for half an hour to cool down, and meanwhile all the rice flour will cook a bit more and perfectly. Okay, this way. I need this, and I will cover this one here, and I will leave it here. Now I will cook small tiny portion of stuffing. For the stuffing I will use my sweet potato kheer little bit, and almost 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut. Now I will mix all of them together. And I have put my video for how to cook sweet potato kheer in my channel, so if you want you can check it. And I will put some powder of cardamom here, just little bit, so it smells nice. I put my flame at medium. So I got half measurement cup of milk powder here. I will add but I don't know why it is called Mera Pitha. I have no idea, but the name is funny. But in our village in Tripura, we call it chal and gurer siddho pitha. That's it. Okay, my stuffings are ready. It's not sticking anymore to the surface of my non-stick karai. So that means my stuffing is ready. Now I will wait until my rice dough getting cold, otherwise I can't touch it, it's too hot. So till then, wait for me. So after 10 minutes I came here to check my rice dough. I will knead it nicely. Okay, my rice dough is ready and I will start making Mera Pitha. I don't know what is exactly called. On YouTube I saw it is called Mera Pitha. Anyways, so here I put my stuffing and I will use some mold to make the pitha. Everything for wash. So I will use this mold to give it beautiful design, and I will grease this mold with oil so it doesn't get stuck. Even here, let's try. Here I will put this one here, make a hole so I can place the stuffing. Like that. And I will put stuffing here inside and I will cover the bottom. Now I will press it down, let's see. You see? This design comes out. This is how I will do with all the pitha. Now I am using another design of mold. And I will grease it with oil. Use this way and make a hole. For the stuffing, put little stuffing here inside and cover with the rice dough. I have 6 designs. And pop it here like that and cover this one. You see, this is another design, and this is how I will prepare all the Mera Pitha. Then I will steam it. Okay, let me finish all of them, then I will come back to you. So all my gur pitha is ready for steaming. I mean Mera Pitha, but in our village we call it gurer pitha. So this pitha is ready to go in the steamer. Alright, look, so beautiful. I just fall in love with this pitha, and this is my dad's favorite pitha. Anyways, let me get ready the steamer. I got steamer here and I put at high temperature, and I need little bit water. I drop it here and I will put a little bit salt here so it does not leave any stain on the bottom of the steamer. And I put high temperature at the moment so it does start boiling, and I will place all my gurer pitha in the steamer. This is my gurer pitha or mera pitha. Now I will put in the steamer so it gets steamed nicely. Now I will cover it and I will steam them about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then I will come back and show you. So after 20 minutes I came here to check my steamer. I think all my gur pitha or mera pitha is steamed very nicely. Yes, it looks very nice. See? They look beautiful. So what I will do, so this is my gurer pitha or mera pitha. You see, they comes out very nicely, and I steamed about 20 to 22 minutes. It look beautiful. So this is gurer pitha, gurer siddho pitha or mera pitha. You see they came out very nicely. Now I will leave them at room temperature to cool down. Then I will serve to God. Then we will serve. We will eat. I mean, and this is. And I hope you like this video and my cooking of mera pitha or gurer siddho pitha. And I will see you in another video with other recipe or cooking on other day. Until then, Har Har Mahadev, I love you so much, and Jai Hindu Rashtra, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and Jai Mata Di.